Hi guys, welcome once again to our channel. Today we have a total of 100 odds, 8 matches in total. Okay, let's get started. Our first game today is in Argentina Primera B, where Argentino the Creams is taking on CS Docsog, and our prediction is away team to score 1 to 2 goals. That means away team will score 1 or 2 goals. Then the second game on our list is in Uzbekistan Premier League, where FK Neftchi Fagona is taking on PFK Labohol, and our prediction is halftime draw. Then our third prediction is in Ethiopia Premier League, where Ethiopian Coffee is taking on St. George, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then the fourth game on our list is in Uzbekistan Premier League, where FK Bonyoko is taking on Pak- Pakato Tashkent, and our prediction is both teams to score. Then the third game or the fifth game on our list is in Ethiopia Premier League, where Bihada Kemena is taking on Sedema Buna, and our prediction is over 1.5 goals for home team. Then the sixth prediction on our list is in Iceland Delic 2, where FK or KF Jalobid is taking on Vikingo Olasvik, and our prediction is home team win at full time. Then the seventh prediction on our list is in Ecuador Premier League, where Deportivo Tichera is taking on Deportivo La Regra, and our prediction is under 2.5 goals. If you watch this video till the end, I'll post the booking code and a screenshot of this ticket for you. And also, do not forget to like this video. It's very important for this uh, channel. And also, we give prediction on daily basis. So check this channel for daily prediction. Also, we have a VIP channel where we share 5 to 20 odds on daily basis, and then 20 to 50 odds also. And if you are interested, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. You can go there and chat me up. We also have a Telegram channel where we interact with each other. So if you are interested, the link is in the comment section. Kindly join. Okay, the last game on our list is in while we wait for this to load. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more football prediction or video like this. Okay, guys, and do not forget to turn on the notification so that will be the first to know when we drop new content. Let's check the leg where this our last prediction is. Okay, our last prediction on our list is in Ecuador Serie B, where 9th October is taking on Gunuboro, and our prediction is home team win at full time. Okay, guys, I'll post the screenshot of this ticket and also the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not in Nigeria and now you are using Sportybet, do not forget to put Nigeria before you load this booking code. Always remember to bet responsibly. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in our next video. Okay, guys, this is the booking code 61A6EABD. That's for sporty users. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow.